Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to send and receive Robux from friends. Now this is very easy. The first thing that you want to do is open up your Roblox player and search for please donate. This is a Roblox server, and from here we want to choose this one. Simply load up the game and let's wait. Now once the game has loaded up, you can actually play in this server, and what you want to do is by going down to the gifts right here and type in the username of your friend. Now let's say your friend is DH Kevin. Now from here we can add a message, and here you can press gift. Now if your friend has a shop right here, you are able to give any Robux to your friend. Now this is very easy. Now I'm going to show you how you can actually receive Robux in Roblox. Now let's get straight into it. Now to receive Robux you need an actually gamer pass. Now simply go down to Roblox, and from here go to the official Roblox website. Now what we will do right here is simply go to create right here. And once you're in create mode, simply head down to your own experiences. So go to the creations. And once you're in creation, simply head down to your own place. It should be public. Open it up. And from here, all you have to do is scroll in the menu right here down till you find the passes under monetization products. Now what we will do is we create a pass. Now from here, make a image, that's very important, and from here name it whatever you want. Pass 1 and description none. And then from here we can create a pass, go to the pass, and here this is what we get. Now from here we should go to the sales right here. Now here we have items for sale. We simply press it and then type in 50 for example. Then we change the item to save changes, and that's it. Now we should go back to Roblox again. Now from here open up Roblox, go into the please donate server, and from here find a empty stand. This is very important. Now let's say here is a empty stand. It's unclaimed. From here we press E. We hold E, and now as you can see my item is for sale. Now other players can go into the game pass and you can buy it. Now here other friends of yours can actually go into the please donate server. From there type in the gifts, type in your name, and from there you can press gift. Now here you can actually gift Robux to friends and family. Now that's it. If this tutorial has helped you in any kind of way, please leave a like. It helps me out a ton, but most importantly, thank you for watching.